especially when your code becomes longer, and by longer, I mean containing tens or hundreds of rows. It becomes difficult to understand how your work has been structured because there are too many lines. What you could do in these situations is leave a comment. Comments are sentences not executed by the computer. It doesn't read them as instructions. The trick is to put a hash sign at the beginning of each line you would like to insert as a comment. I'll improvise with a random sentence. It is just a comment and not code. Execute with Shift and Enter. When you run this cell, there will be no output because the comment does not count as code.
Let's add code. Print, open parentheses, 7, comma, 2, close parentheses. Execute with Shift and Enter. Yes, precisely. We got 7 and 2 on the same line, and the comment row marked with a hashtag produced no output. It remained visible only to the programmer. The computer executed the print command only. If we would like to leave a comment on 2 lines, don't forget to place the hash sign at the beginning of each line. These 2 will be comments. Everything seems to work.